YouTube, how you all doing? Another free mower. Picked it up. Oil and gas have been removed already. Not sure if you guys recall. There's that free mower. Up and running. Working great. Let's see what's wrong with it. Before I fill it with oil and gas, let me go ahead and sharpen up the blades just a tad bit. I don't want to take off a bunch. Of course, you need to balance it. It's like everything's here, right? Yeah, I could put everything back the way it was. Let's change the plug and the diaphragm and gasket for the carburetor. Let's start with the plug. Some easy. CJ8. One down. Let's work on the carburetor. 2 bolts. 3/8, 1/2 inch. This is really jacked. Five screws. Let's take that off. Let's clean it up. Spray all the holes. You could actually lift this up too. Those 2 holes, just spray them. Like a wire brush or something. But it looks clean. But let me go ahead and spray it anyway. The diaphragm goes on first. It only goes one way. Let's take a closer look. This is the diaphragm right here, and this is the gasket. I can tell this is the diaphragm because of the 2 flaps right there. New spring and filter. Good to go. All right, let's put it back in. I really need to replace this spring. Looks sorry, but it will do for now. All right, let's start it. Let's see. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Another successful project. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. All right, the RPM was a tad bit slow. I found an extra spring in my drawer and also tightened it up a little bit. Quick close-up shot, and I want to explain how I increased the throttle and reduced it. This is the original bend point right here. I rebent it about, I would say, 1/4 or 1/3 of an inch and rebent it, and that's how I increased the throttle. If you have a secondary spring attached to this bracket right here, you could then bend this instead of bending the spring itself. This is the one you bend that way to reduce, and bend it to your right if you want to increase your throttle. I need to replace it, but let's check it out. Go ahead and put this on, and let's see if it made a difference. Alright, check it out. Tad bit too fast and tight. Let me undo that real quick. Loosen it up a little bit. Alright. I adjusted the spring, so here you go. Perfect. Thanks again for watching. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Take a look. Beautiful.